Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are doing well and enjoying your summer vacations. Today we will solve the remedy back of mathematics level 9 page number 3. Question number 5 is find the determinant of the following matrices. Here we are given a matrix D is equal to 3 2 1 4. We have to find its determinant. Right here D determinant is equal to determinant of 3 2 1 4. In determinant we solved as 3 multiply 4, 3 into 4 minus 1 into 2, that is equal to 3 4s are 12 minus 2 1s are 2, which is equal to 10. So determinant of matrix D 3 2 1 4 is 10. Question number 2 is use log table to find the value of 78.95 raised to power 1 over 8. First of all, before finding its value, we have to introduce logarithm here. So let consider it equals to a variable, say x raised to power 1 over 8. Now taking log on both sides, that is log x is equal to log of 78.95 raised to power 1 over 8. We know in logarithm power will be transferred to constant term, that is 1 over 8 log of 78. Now we will find the value of log of 78.95 through calculator, as we will press log, next write 78.95 and the answer is 1.8974. Next we will divide this term by 8. By dividing 1.8974 with 8, we have 0.2365. Student, this is the answer of log of s, but we have to find the logarithm of this number, which is equal to x. So to remove this logarithm, we will take anti-logarithm. Taking anti-logarithm, it will become x is equal to anti-log of 0.2365. How will we find anti-log? Press shift and then logarithm, and then write the value, that is 0.365. We will find it answer as 1.7238. that is a value of x, and x is equal to 78.95 raised to power 1 over 8. So 70.95 raised to power 1 over 8 equals to 1.7238. Question number 7 is conjugate of 3 minus 5 iota and minus 3 iota plus 2. Here given a number 3 minus 5 iota. Let consider it equals to z. Z is equal to 3 minus 5 iota, and z conjugate will be 3 minus 5 iota. How will I conjugate? We change the sign containing the iota, it will become plus 5 iota. So z conjugate equals z plus 5 iota. Next is again let z is equal to minus 3 iota plus 2. Z conjugate is equal to minus 3 iota 2 conjugate. Z conjugate is equal to 3 iota plus 2. We will change the term containing iota, and the sign of term containing the real will be written as it is. So conjugate of these two numbers. Question number 8, simplify 9 minus 7 iota over 3 plus iota. Here we are given with two complex number, 9 minus 7 iota, 3 plus iota. So for this question, we have to rationalize the denominator. By rationalizing, how we rationalize? We multiply with the conjugate of denominator, that is 9 minus 7 iota over 3 iota multiply minus iota over 3 minus iota. It will be written as, by multiplying these two terms, we has 9 minus 7 iota into 3 minus iota divided by 3 plus iota into 3 plus iota. Here we will multiply 9 minus 7 iota and 3 minus iota. First, 9 with 3 minus iota minus 7 iota into 3 minus iota. Here are a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So 3 square minus iota square. 9 3s are 27 minus 9 iota minus plus minus 7 3s are 1 iota minus minus plus 7 iota square divided by 3 raised to equals to 9 minus iota square equals to minus. So 27 minus 9 minus 21, that is minus 30 plus 7 into square equals to minus 1 divided by 9 plus 1, that is 27 minus 30 iota over 10, which is equal to 27 minus 20 minus 30 iota divided by 10. We can write it as over 10 minus 30 over 10 iota, that is 10 2s are 22, 10 3s are 30, 3 iota. This is a solution of this question. Next, question number 9 is, find the value of x if log of 9 to the base 81 equals to x. It is given that log of 9 to the base 81 equals to x. Writing in exponential form, how we write it in form? Base will be right and variable power of base equals to 9. 81 can be factorized. 81 is 9 9s are 81 and 9s are 9, that is square whole raised to power x 9. It will become 9 raised to power 2x equals to 9. Both of these sides contain the same, so by comparing bases, here 9 raised to power 2x and here 9 raised to power 1. Bases, when we compare base, then powers will be equalized. 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 over 2. Question number 10 is, express log x minus 2 log x plus 3 log x plus 1 into log x square minus 1 as single logarithm. Student, first recall the laws of logarithm which tell us log of ab is equal to log of a plus log of b. Second is log of a over b is equal to log of a minus log of b. Third is log of a raised to power n is equal to n log a. By using these three laws of logarithm, we will solve this question. Question is given as log of x minus 2 log of 3 plus 3 log of x plus 1 minus log of x square minus 1. Student, look at here. Here n is written before the logarithm. Actually n was the power of this variable. So here 2 is written before logarithm. Actually 2 is a power of x, 3 is a power of x plus 1. So by writing in a single logarithm, before writing log x minus log of x ka square plus log of x plus 1 raised to power 3 minus log of x square minus 1. Now student, by writing in a single logarithm, log x is positive number, so it will written here, minus log x square, so negative term is written in denominator, that is x square, then plus positive term in written in numerator, x plus 1 ka cube, again negative term is written in denominator, x square minus 1. This x will be cancelled out to this x, it will remain log of x plus 1 cube divided by x into, here is a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. Student, here containing x plus 1 raised to power and here containing x plus 1 raised to power 1. So power from this will be cancelled out to this number and the remaining, here was a power 3 remaining power is 2 divided by x as it is, x minus 1, which is required solution. This is all our today's lecture, students. Hope you understand it. See you soon in the next video, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.